Many beginners struggle to cut elastic short. Let me show you a simple method that makes it easy. I place my fabric on the table with the right side facing each other and draw a starting line. From that line, I measure 2 inches for the waistband, which will hold the elastic. This becomes my waistline. From the waistline, I measure 12 inches down for the crotch depth. I mark it across and rule the line straight. Next, I measure the length of the short, which is 18 inches, and add 2 inches for the hemming, then rule that line straight. On the waistline, I measure 12 inches and repeat the same 12 inches on the crotch line. Then connect the point. At the crotch line, I divide the 12 inches by 4, which gives me 3 inches. This becomes the crotch extension, which also determines the thigh width. From the crotch line, I go up by 2 inches, then draw a smooth curve, connecting that point to the 3 inches crotch extension. This forms the crotch curve and helps the short fit comfortably. At the hem, I place the value of the thigh and subtract 1.5 inches and connect it back to the thigh line. From the hem, I measure 2 inches upward and transfer the same value to the hemming allowance. This helps when folding the hem so the fabric doesn't become short. Then I cut it out. And just like that, the front piece is ready. For the back piece, I place the front pattern on the remaining fabric. I measure 2 inches vertically for seam allowance. I extend the waistline and the hem line from the front piece to the back piece, then cut it out. And that's it. Cutting a basic elastic short pattern is as simple as this. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, drop a comment and follow for more simple sewing tutorials.